At this year's LG Skins game, TrackMan, a resource tool used by professional golf tours around the world, is here to help measure different aspects of each player's game.
What the players are looking for when they work with the TrackMan is, since TrackMan is measuring the real thing, measuring exactly how far this shot goes with this ball, it's ultimately for their distance control.
Thousands of different tools are available to tour players, all promising to be the one. For Stephen Ames, this may be.
That is the first time in my career of golf, which is almost 30 years, that I've actually had technology help me. In the past, I've always hit the ball and felt, well, this ball spins too much, da da da. This is the first time I actually took a driver out that Nike's made, the new square Sumo driver, and by looking at the numbers and by looking what the feedback was coming from me, it was the first time the two of them amalgamated together, and it was a better product for me.